unexpected happened. My great Uncle Honk took a big bonk and was cold out on the ground. My great Uncle Honk took a big bonk. My great Uncle Honk took a big bonk. My great Uncle Honk took a big bonk. Sherri, the wife, is a very good wife, but her attitude is as sharp as the kitchen knife. She has a husband, Honk, as you know, but he's known to get on the tippy of her toes. But they love each other and always will, but Honk doesn't know she owns a dairy mill. Sherri, the wife, oh yeah, Sherri, the wife, woo! Yeah, Sherri, the wife, say it with me. Sherri, the wife, Sherri, the wife, Sherri, the wife owns a secret dairy mill. Sherri, the wife, don't tell her husband. Sherri, the wife. Aunt Gerard has a Gatling gun. Aunt Gerard is a lot of fun. Aunt Gerard has a Gatling gun. Nobody wants to mess with her. 0 to none. Look out, here she comes. Aunt Gerard with her Gatling gun. Look out, here she comes. Aunt Gerard with her Gatling gun. Fighting aunts down to the death. The one trying to stop it was Uncle Seth, but Uncle Seth got knocked to the floor. One little back crack and the fight's no more. Fighting aunts, one flung over the other. Fighting aunts, it turns out they were secretly brothers. Liked eating applesauce, but one day Uncle Jerry ate too much applesauce and accidentally pissed on a kid. Uncle Jerry loves applesauce. Uncle Uncle Jerry pissed on kids. Oh, Uncle Jerry loves applesauce. And Uncle Jerry pissed on the kids. Uncle Jerry forgot to wear pants. Uncle Jerry was charged for pedophilia. Uncle Jerry commits crimes. Uncle Jerry loves applesauce. And Uncle Jerry pissed on kids. Oh, Uncle Jerry loves his applesauce. And Uncle Jerry pissed on kids. My great Uncle Daniel got a DUI. My great Uncle Daniel blamed it on his one good eye. My great Uncle Daniel got a DUI. He was just so dumb to blame his single eye. My great Uncle Daniel got a DUI. My great Uncle Daniel blamed it on his one good eye. My great Uncle Daniel got a DUI. He was just so dumb to blame it